Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall an inside door handle in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. There's a little pin that goes into this trim piece. We have to take this pin out, so we'll use a trim removal tool. Just pop this off. You could use a flat blade screwdriver. Pull that pin off. And I'm going to pull this trim piece off. And just grab it and try to pull it off. Sometimes you need a little trim tool to help. Use a little trim removal tool. Get in behind here. Pull that piece off. Now we're going to pull this little light off. Just use a flat blade screwdriver. Get underneath it. We can just disconnect the connector. Just pull that out like that. Set that aside. Next I'm going to use a door trim removal tool. I got to take all the push pins out along this outer edge of the door panel. Now this door panel is going to come out in two pieces right here, separate from the inner panel. Just slide it in here. Apply some pressure. Over here as well. We can slide it off the door lock rod and pull that panel out. We're going to disconnect this electrical connector right here. I'll use a right angle pick. Just going to push down on the button right there. While I pull it out. Pull the connector off, just like that. And I'll take a Torx, a T25. We'll take these Torx screws out. Take those out. And grab the handle, slide it up, and slide it out, just like that. Now we're going to install the inside door handle. Just slide it in position. There's a little tab right there. We can install the screws. These are Torx screws. We'll snug it up with our T25 Torx Driver. Once that's snug, you can plug in the electrical connector right there. Then install the lock rod right there. Line the whole panel up. Make sure that wire goes through. It's all lined up. Then we're just going to push it on. like it's all the way on. Yep. All right, to reinstall this light, I'm just gonna plug this in here. Slide this up. Lock it in place. Then we're gonna pop this trim back on. Just line it up. Lock it in place. And we'll install this push pin underneath in this hole. Just like that.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.